Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Quick Assist remote control problem on Windows 11. First, open Windows Settings. From the left side, click Apps. Now select Installed Apps. In the search box, type Quick Assist. Find Quick Assist in the list. Click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Now, first click Terminate. This will completely close Quick Assist. Next, find the Repair option and click Repair. Wait a few moments while Windows repairs the application. After the repair is complete, open Quick Assist again and check if the remote control feature is working. If the problem is still there, go back to Advanced Options. This time, click Reset. Windows will reset the Quick Assist application and clear its app data. Wait until the reset is complete. Now open Quick Assist again and check the remote control feature. If remote control is still not working, we will check for Windows updates. Go back to Settings and click Windows Update. Now click Check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it. After the update is finished, restart your computer. Once your computer starts again, open Quick Assist and check the remote control feature one more time. These simple steps can help fix Quick Assist remote control problems caused by app issues or outdated Windows components. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tutorials.